Listen to me because I'm about to tell you the most important thing you'll ever hear. Every great achievement starts with a dream. Not just any dream, but a dream so big it scares you. Dare to dream big, set your sights high, and don't settle for mediocrity. You will face challenges, life will test you, it will push you to your limits, but hear me loud and clear. Challenges are your stepping stones to greatness. Each obstacle is an opportunity to grow stronger, to push beyond what you thought was possible. Embrace these challenges, face them head on with everything you've got. Inside you lies untapped potential. It's a force waiting to be unleashed. You must embrace it, harness it, and let it drive you forward. You have the power to shape your destiny. No one else can do it for you. It's all on you. Dreams don't come true by magic. They become reality through relentless action. Take that first step, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem. Every effort counts. Every move forward matters. Push yourself, strive harder, and never ever look back. You will fail. It's inevitable. But understand this, failure is not the end. It's a lesson, a stepping stone. Each setback is a chance to grow stronger. Embrace your failures, learn from them, and use them as fuel for your journey. They are the crucibles that forge your strength. Remember what Lord Krishna said in the Bhagavad Gita. You have the right to work, but never to the fruit of the work. Focus on your duty, on your actions. Pour your heart and soul into what you do and let go of the attachment to the results. This mindset is your key to peace and perseverance. Success is not just about reaching the top, it's about the journey, about who you become along the way. Celebrate every victory, no matter how small. Appreciate the progress you've made, the person you've become. Every single day is a chance to rise above, to be better than you were yesterday. Embrace the journey, unleash your power, make your mark on the world. The future is yours to create. Believe in yourself, dream big, and go after it with everything you've got. The path to success is rarely linear. It's paved with challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. These obstacles test our resolve, pushing us to confront our limitations and discover hidden reservoirs of strength. It is within these crucibles of challenge that our true potential is forged. Consider the athlete pushing their body to its limits day after day. They face grueling training sessions, setbacks, and the pressure of competition. Yet they persevere, driven by the dream of victory. Or picture the student grappling with a difficult subject, dedicating long hours to mastering complex concepts. They may stumble, but they rise again, fueled by a thirst for knowledge and a vision for their future. Challenges are not roadblocks, they are opportunities for growth. They reveal our resilience, ignite our determination, and teach us invaluable lessons along the way. Embrace challenges as stepping stones on your journey, opportunities to refine your skills, deepen your resolve, and emerge stronger on the other side. Remember, the greatest victories are often born from the ashes of our hardest battles. Within each of us lies a wellspring of untapped potential, a reservoir of strength waiting to be unleashed. We all possess unique talents, passions, and abilities that, when nurtured and channeled effectively, can propel us towards our dreams. The key is to tap into this inner dynamo and harness its power to fuel our journey. Discovering your strengths is the first step. What are you naturally drawn to? What activities leave you feeling energized and fulfilled? Identifying your passions ignites a fire within, providing the motivation and drive needed to overcome obstacles and persevere through challenges. Once you've identified your strengths and passions, begin to cultivate them. Seek out opportunities to develop your skills, expand your knowledge, and connect with mentors who can guide you along the way. Remember, growth is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Embrace lifelong learning, seek out new experiences, and never stop exploring the vast landscape of your potential. The more you invest in yourself, the more empowered you become to achieve your dreams. Dreams, however vivid and compelling, remain mere fantasies without action. It's the bridge of concrete steps, the consistent effort and dedicated action that transform aspirations into tangible realities. The path from vision to action requires planning, discipline, and a willingness to embrace the journey one step at a time. Begin by breaking down your dream into smaller, manageable goals. This creates a roadmap for success, providing a sense of accomplishment with each milestone reached. Establish a clear plan of action, outlining the specific steps you need to take to achieve each goal. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Consistency is key. Make a commitment to take daily action towards your goals, no matter how small. These small, consistent efforts, compounded over time, create an unstoppable momentum that propels you forward. Don't be afraid to adjust your plan as needed. Life is fluid, and your journey may require course corrections along the way. Embrace flexibility, adapt to new challenges, and remain focused on your ultimate objective. If this video inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with others who need a boost of motivation. And for more empowering content to help you reach your goals, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below about what dreams you're chasing and how you plan to achieve them. Let's support and inspire each other on this incredible journey. Thank you for watching. Now go out there and make your dreams a reality. You've got this.